In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the Televi Shakers. I actually made these instruments, and the reason why is because I was inspired by the Kashaka shaker and how it works. 1, 2, shake, shake. But I realized that not everyone could do that. These instruments, everyone should be able to do it. So it works in the same way, produces a very similar sound, just like the Kashaka shaker, because it's made from the same material. You just bash them together. So we go 1, 2, shake, shake. So it's much easier to do, and each Televi Shaker sounds slightly different because the shape of the gourd is different and the internal filling is slightly different as well. So if you want to check out the Televi Shakers, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon with another video.